Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the account. Open accounts. Google.com/security and go to recent security activity. Once there, review device names and locations and pick the familiar device you normally use. Make sure your recovery phone number and secondary email are accessible. If you have printed recovery codes, keep them handy. This speeds verification. If prompted, choose the option to secure your account rather than immediate password reset, because Google will ask identity questions that match your usual sign-in patterns. Begin the official account recovery flow at accounts. Google.com/signin/recovery and answer each prompt carefully. Google evaluates consistency. Once you enter the last password you remember, add the month and year the account was created and any old recovery emails. Make sure you complete this on your usual device and network. Google compares IP and device signals. If you receive a verification code on your recovery phone or email, enter it immediately. Be concise and consistent. Small mismatches lower success chances. After you regain access, immediately reset your password to a long, unique passphrase and turn on two-step verification to block future changes. Once done, review connected apps and devices and revoke any unfamiliar access. Update recovery phone and email to current ones. If the recovery flow fails, don't repeat random answers. Gather proof like device timestamps or billing transactions. Then wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Google may lock attempts. If still blocked, use any official account support options and keep evidence ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.